Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create a walkthrough video in Enscape. Create a video path with scenes. Step 1. Click Video Editor from the Enscape tab. Step 2. Click Add Keyframe. Once you click Add Keyframe, the setting will be saved. Step 3. Change the scene by moving the scene. Step 4. Once you think the next scene is the right position, click Add Keyframe. Then you can see the second frame is added. I recommend using the footwalk to see the scene from the same height. Step 5. You may check the preview to see how this works. Step 6. Repeat step 3 to 5 to create a complete path for a video. Step 7. Click a frame and change the settings such as time of the day, duration of the movement, camera field of view, and camera position. Click Apply to apply the changes. Step 8. You can repeat other frames to change the settings. Step 9. You can get out of the keyframe editor by clicking back. Click Preview to see the results. Save a video path. Step 1. Click Save Path from the Enscape tab. Step 2. Make a unique name for the path. Render the video. Step 1. Load camera path by clicking Camera Path. Then load path from the Enscape tab. Step 2. Change video size from visual setting, resolution, HD quality is recommended, the quality can be web, FPS should be 30. Step 3. Click Render Video to render the path. Note: to render the video, it will take a while because of the pictures that the video renders. Typically, if you render a 1-second video, Enscape renders 30 frames. If one frame takes 10 seconds to render, a total 1-second video takes 300 seconds to render. Enscape does a great job because Revit rendering takes 5 minutes to render one frame. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to create a walkthrough video in Enscape. Thank you.